To grow beans, you can either purchase seedlings that are ready to transplant or purchase seeds and sow them. To sow from seed, first prepare the soil by turning it over and removing weeds. Then sow your beans in seed holes. For that, dig shallow holes. Space the seed holes by at least 16 inches. Sow your beans in groups of 4 to 5 seeds. Water sparingly. Cover with soil, press down and water. For young plants purchased in a store, first trace a furrow with a rake to mark a straight line. Plant them in a blend of soil mix, garden soil and organic soil conditioner every 1.5 feet. Backfill and press down. Ridge the base of the stem to keep it from toppling over. This means raking up soil around the stem to make a little mound. Water regularly. Harvest depends on the variety and on growing conditions. Check the label.